Hello and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be on a Tamiya Super Champ buggy. This is an all-electric buggy. This was bought in 1984 and it was a new design and new technology that came out back in the early 80s. A lot of parts have been changed on this particular one, though I still do have the stock parts. These are the tires that originally came on it, and the rubber's just gotten hard and it's worn out over time. So the nice thing about this is it was a buildable car, and so I'll just show you the inside. So some of the features that it had was it was a mechanical speed control, and you could set your endpoints by adjusting these little arms. The mechanical speed control is still in there. You can see the wires and the sleeve here that are still hooked up, but it's actually running off of a digital speed control now, just for efficiency and simplicity as well. The rear end is a straight axle through a set of gears, and the gears you can change them for high speed or torque. One shock absorber that is fed through this bottle of oil, so it comes down onto the shock here, and the shock is adjustable, the spring's adjustable to adjust your tension, and then the front shocks are oil filled and they're run independently. The battery tray underneath has been modified so that the newer style battery can go in there. Originally, the batteries were had the hump in it, and they were shorter battery, but now you can't even get those. So to get a nickel metal hydrate battery in, I had to move the post over to the sides so that I could get the whole battery in. It still runs good. I don't run it anymore, though. It's basically just a display model now, because a lot of the cars now are a lot faster, and I don't want to wreck it either. It's a bit of a collectible, they tell me now, although they have re-released some of them, like the Frog and the Grasshopper, and apparently they do make a newer version of the Super Champ. But this is an original one. I also had to change the electrical connectors because the buggy was bought in Europe and their connectors are different than what we have here. So when I had to change things over, I had to change the plug configuration as well. But everything is still in the buggy as the original, but I've just spliced in newer style connectors. So I've used this quite a bit, like I said before, but I don't use it anymore. But it's a nice mantelpiece anyway. So I hope this information is useful to you. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for watching all of my videos that I've posted on my YouTube channel, as well as thanks to all you subscribers. This is a lot of fun. I enjoy filming these videos, and I hope that these are useful to you and that you enjoy them as well. Thanks again. Take care.